This is not to be viewed publicly. We got a Kiwi on the ice!
We've been driving out of Toronto for about 25-35 minutes, and the whole way she's pretty well been bumper to bumper traffic on the other side going into Toronto. Now what I think's going on here is people haven't been aware or been made aware of what the cloud is, and they all go to a place of work.
Are you one of these? Where I chaperone you?
I think this is my first time on ice. I'll teach you Xero, you teach me how to be a Canadian.
There you go.
Okay, so we're here in Belleville at the ice skating rink with Jenny, 0 to 60.
Yes.
How are you doing it? How is it going?
Okay, well, I think first of all, in order to take any journey, you have to have a lot of passion, right? And for us, documenting it helps really well with other people who might want to take it as well. And just how we're doing it is each day we're just taking baby steps, one step at a time. It's not like overnight we can just go, poof.
Nope.
We know everything. You can't. And I think what's also really neat too is as we onboard clients onto Xero, they have unique needs as well. And then we got to think about, how are we going to handle that? How are we going to handle this application with that? So I think the biggest key for us has been just taking our time. And that's really what we do with every client, is we take our time with them to understand what their needs are and then find the right fit for it. I think just like in business, how you need like an accountability partner or a coach, that's what Gail is to us. She keeps us accountable for what we do on the ice. And I think a lot of my success in business is attributed to coaches like Gail. I love you, Gail.
My name's Paul. You're like,
Oh,
Paul? I had one person literally write down on a coffee cup, B-A-O. But then I say, pal, and they're like, I got you.
Yeah, I got you.